Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Pinterest video. On Pinterest, inspiration can strike at any moment. You may want to download an image or video to save later. While it's easy to download images, there is no built-in mechanism to download videos. There are plenty of video conversations websites that can do it for you. First, use the mobile app. Open a video post on Pinterest. Post on Pinterest may consist of an image, GIF, or video. Tap the three dots in the bottom or on the right side of your screen. It will allow you to share, save, or replay the video. But these three dots will provide you with additional options, including sending video, reporting it to Pinterest, or copying its web link. Now, tap Copy Link. Open a video conversation website in your phone's web browser. And these sites are not approved by Pinterest, so use them at your own risk. But for me, I will type on Pinterest Video Downloader. Tap on that. Then, paste the Pinterest link into the website's URL box. Most video conversation sites are set up the same, with a field to pass the URL in the center of the homepage that says paste your link here or something similar. Now, download your video. Tap the video that says download video or something similar. Some websites may give you the option to download the video in a variety of formats. If so, tap the option to download the video in the format and resolution you want. Then, tap the three dots. It's the button with three dots in the lower right corner of the video playback. Then tap Download or Download Video. This will download the video to your Downloads folder in the Files or My Files app. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos. And see you guys for another videos.